I'll need to get my headphones. It's so beautiful outside. It's pouring and it's lightning, it's thundering, and I thought of just coming live. It's been a while. It's so beautiful. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's scary! The way it is thundering is scary. And it's lightning. That was very loud. Extremely loud. So yeah, it's very beautiful at this point of time. As you can see outside. Enjoying the rain. And I hope you guys are all safe at home and all healthy. This was a very random chat because I never planned on having one, and I mostly do this. I surprise everybody. Just enjoying the rain. अंदर से ही, लेकिन ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं भीग रही हूँ because I can feel the rain standing inside over here also. बारिश की छींटे literally. Few days ago, I had a little visitor in my house who was a little froggy because I think this is the time where all of them want to come inside the house rather than staying outside. I don't know if he's around right now, but he was here in my garden area for a bit. अभी भाग गया लगता है. He was my visitor for 2 days and then he left. Whee! This is beautiful. I'm enjoying this. Okay, I better get in before I completely get wet. I'm drenched in rain. Oh my god. It looks like a thunderstorm to me. That is loud! That is very, very loud. Oh. I don't know if you can see, but my face was completely wet right now. I'm getting wet. I have to shut this window because it's extremely breezy. और बारिश की छींटे सब अंदर आ रहे हैं. मेरे पूरा oh wow, my bed's wet. Damn. Yeah, it's pretty loud. The thunders are extremely loud. It's scary kind of loud. It's like you're at a horror movie kind of. And you must have seen my reaction to that. And also you must have heard one of it. How have you guys been? I hope all of you are doing well at home and are safe. Kasauti, we are going to start shooting very, very soon. Very, very soon, in fact. So, yeah, looking forward to that. It's going to happen soon. I speak in Konkani, but very little. Tutti putti. I used to speak in Konkani only to my grandmother a little bit. My dog is just roaming around. Champ is, he's also, I don't know, he's scared of the thunder, so he just goes and hides somewhere I think right now he's with my parents, hiding in their room. मुंबई कब शुरू होने वाला है मतलब? हम शूट करने वाले बहुत ही जल्द. Yes, they are going to take necessary precautions, obviously, while shooting, because there are a lot of people involved while shooting, correct? So they have to take necessary precautions, and I know that they will. And my brother is back. अच्छा, मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं, सही सही जवाब देना, ओके? Be honest. Have I gained weight? Do I look fat? No, but have I gained weight? Because I've been trying very hard during this lockdown to do that. Oh, the weather is awesome. It's thundering like crazy. Champy was enjoying the rains, and once it started thundering, he ran. I have gained weight. Wow. Do I look chubby? I have gained. The weighing scale shows that I have gained 5 kgs, but I don't know if it is showing on me physically. Thank you, guys. Yes, I look chubby. Yeah, it's working. I don't know. I don't think you must have seen a lot of people getting happy when they. I mean, after they've put on weight. I've seen a lot of people who rather start crying that they've gained weight, and here I'm celebrating that, yeah, I put on some weight. Because trust me, it is extremely tough for me to gain weight. Yeah, I look chubby. I'm happy. I hope this stays. The chubbiness. Tell what's my secret. I have been doing yoga and weights ka mixture of workout. I am concentrating on my diet, adding extra calories to my diet, and oh, you're talking about you. I will make you reduce, don't worry. I I have made Mummy and Shalu reduce a little bit already. Thank you, Ankita. Who needs to gain weight? Who needs to gain weight? Okay, let's see if I can make a video on it. Extra calories? Yeah, I definitely need to add extra calories because my body burns calories and burns out fat very quickly. Thank you, Pooja. I prefer staying without makeup. I'm just feeling like a kid right now who wants to go and play out in the rain. I'm not playing in the rain, I'm just standing here and enjoying it. Oh my god. Ooh. Like, I have water in my house right now. Ah! You want to see my Champy? I think he's hiding away somewhere. I'll go get him. Champy! He's scared, I know he's scared. Champy is scared, like I told you, he must have ran and gone in one corner. And I will sleep. Look at him! Look at him. What you want, baby? What you want? You want mango? You want mango, Champy? Champy loves mango.
Not eating or do anything.
Because Champy's scared. Champy's scared. Champy's scared. Okay, baby, you are scared. Champy's scared. Come eat, mama. Come with me. Let's go. Come on, let's go, Babu. Come. Let's go. Champy is scared. Champy saying, I'm scared of the rain. I'm scared. It's thundering outside. Look how scared he is. See where he's hiding. He's hiding. Come, Champy, come. See, Germain, come. Come fast. See, Germain has come. Germain, come. See there, Germain is here. Come here. See, Germain is here. You, outside. You, Babu. See, rainy outside. Rainy, Babu. Rainy. See there. See, water. Oh, okay, don't run. I'm here. Nice, Champy, nice. Champy likes. Wow. Where's the rain, Champy? Come, we go outside that side. Come, we go that side. I'm there. Wow. Rainy. Champy's getting wet. He was scared. Now he's here enjoying the rain. But don't sit, it's all wet, Champy. Don't sit. Champy, give me a high five. Good boy. Very good boy. High five. Good boy of mine. Good boy. Come here, see here. Come. You want to sit on this chair? Who are you looking at that side? That's a wall. You want to sit on the chair? Champy sitting on the chair. See, that's water. Don't lick it. Champy, see there outside. Who's come there? Who's come there, Babu? See, water. I put water on you. I put water on Champy. I put water. Yeah, actually all the dogs are very lazy right now because this is a very cozy. What are you doing? You scared me. This is a very cozy environment and atmosphere for them. So they just love sleeping during this time. It's so nice and cool. It's raining outside. They get pampered a lot. So even my Champy has been very lazy. Oh my God, you scared me. Look at that head popping out from that side. Where Champy Dada? Go, Champy Dada calling, go fast. Yeah, he's too cute. He's very mischievous though. He just looks very innocent. Where Champy Dada? Not there. Gone. Champy Dada gone. Go search. Go search. Where Champy Dada gone? Go. Oh, Champy. Oh, Champy. Yeah, my father is asking me to cut his hair. Like I know how to do that. And he's like, when are you going to trim my hair? When are you going to cut my hair? I need a haircut. I said, I am not a hairstylist or hairdresser. I don't know how to do that. I know how to style hair. I don't know how to cut hair. No, Champy. Babu, it is wet. Get up from here. Chalo, come on inside. You will get sick. Come on. Let's go. Champy, come on, let's go. Come on, see who's come. See there who's come. German come. He doesn't want to get up now from here. He doesn't want to get up. Champy, get up. Oh yes, I definitely miss traveling. I don't know when is it going to get back on track. Okay, why don't you suggest a song that we could listen to and enjoy the rain together? What? Call Dada. Where is Champy Dada? Call. She come here. Come here. Tell Dada come here. Call Dada. Call. Fast call. Call. No calling Dada. Okay. See German here. See German. See German saying hi. See Ammal also is there. Ammal also is there. He is more than a dog. He is more human than a dog. He is more understanding. Not a dog. He's a little baby of ours. And we are not troubling him. He's more safe and secure with us than being alone. That is why he's with me here. I can't see nothing. Why? Okay. I have to reconnect. 1 second.